Hello, this is Cheat Sheet Overload here. Back with another upload. I know I haven't been posting in a while, and I've got a big upload plan coming soon. Trademark. Anyways, this is just a small, short programming tutorial to just keep my channel going while I work on my next upload. So be sure to subscribe and watch out for that. But for this one, I assume that you've read the title. We're going to be using a Python script to check internet connection. And the reason I'm doing this is because a friend asked me a while ago to make a script that can run a Minecraft server every time the connection's online. And so if you have spotty Wi-Fi and you want to automate some task without it shutting down, then this will be for you. So if the Wi-Fi shuts down or something, you can just like stop the script, and once it's back up, you can rerun the script. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to import requests, and you may have to pip install this. I'm pretty sure it's default module, so screw that. Next we're gonna do URL, and basically the way we're gonna go around doing this is we're gonna have a URL, like some website, and we're gonna try pinging that website, and if we can't ping it, then we know that it's our error and not theirs. Then that we know that our internet connection's down. So it's important that for your URL you set like a website that's almost always online. And at this time of writing, Google is one of the most online and reliable sites to use. The last time it went down was 5 years ago, and that was only for 5 minutes. And in those 5 minutes, 40% of the world's internet traffic just disappeared. So at this time, Google is probably one of the most stable and reliable sites that you can ping to. And if I get an error saying I can't ping it, it's most definitely my internet connection's fault and not Google's. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, you might want to change it to some other site. But for now, I'm going to do Google. All right, next, we're going to have a timeout. And this is basically saying, like, we're going to keep on pinging Google. And if we don't get a response back in 5 seconds, I'm going to set it to 5 for now. You can change it to anything. But if we don't get a response back in this many seconds, then we're just going to assume that it's not going to come back. You can set it to longer if you want to have a longer try period. Next, we're going to have a while true because we want it constantly running and pinging. And then we're going to have a try block. And this try block is basically just going to try pinging Google, and it's probably going to give back an error if we can't find it. So now we're going to send a request. Google's requests.get URL and timeout equals timeout. All right, next, assuming that this works, we're gonna print connected period. And you know what? For this, you can okay. So here you can add your own code for what you want the program to do when the connection is established. So now we're gonna have an accept. So because requests will automatically give you back an error if Google isn't responding, and then here we're just gonna print not connected. And then again, I'm gonna add a comment. Do what you want when connection is lost. So here you can add your code. Maybe you wanna run a script starting a server or like stopping a server, anything like that. But you can add your own here, the code here, well, whatever you want it to do. And actually, that's about it, unless you want to add extra stuff here. So we're just going to go ahead and try to run it. All right, so as you can see, I got my CMD open, so we're going to go ahead and try running our Python script. I assume you already have Python installed and added path. That's like prerequisites. And we're going to do check.py, I think that's what it was called. Hit enter, and it's going to keep printing connected. And right now I have an Ethernet connection, so right now I'm going to go disconnect my Ethernet cable to show you what happens if it's not connected. All right, it's going to wait for 5 seconds, and as you can see now, I have just tried, I've just disconnected my Ethernet cable, and it's getting an error from Google, so it's not connected. And at this point, it would probably start running the code that it would probably start running the code that you put in there for not connected. But again, I didn't put any code. I just had this print statement. And yeah, that's about it. Just a simple network check in Python. Please subscribe and watch out for my next video, which is coming very soon. And if you have any video requests, anything you want me to answer a question or like something like that, or if you want me to make a how-to video, be sure to email me at cheatsheetoverload@gmail.com. I think I spelled every word wrong. I'll put the email and everything else in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.